As we know, engineering is evolving all the time, and I've got some breaking news. There's a clue right behind me. You might recognise these gentlemen, Clive, Leonard from First MTA and Rick Peer from Halter CNC Automation. But first of all, if you don't know these two companies, very succinctly, Clive, First MTA, what do you supply?
We supply work holders to the industry along with bar fitter automation.
Nice and simple. Rick, and what do you guys supply?
Well, you see it in the background. We have the Halter loader system. That's a tending system for CNC machines.
And it's great having you two here together, but why?
Well, as of today, great news, we are now the UK agent for Halter. So it fits perfectly into our work holding automation system. Now we can go into a customer and offer them a full package.
Right, so as I said right at the beginning, the engineering industry is evolving. This takes you to that, brings you not only up with the competition, but ahead of the competition.
Correct, and we looked for a long time for a partner in this kind of industry. A lot of them didn't fit what we wanted. This one fits perfectly.
You say it fits perfectly, why?
Because it's so versatile, milling, turning, left hand, right hand, very easy to program, as you found out earlier.
Absolutely, and you're stealing all Rick's thunder there, so a perfect fit for you, and your coverage in the UK as well.
Yeah, we're covering the whole of UK and Ireland, so all the OEMs, distributors, end users, any inquiries for robotics, we're there.
Perfect fit for your product portfolio, but a perfect fit for these guys at Halter CNC. Rick, why have you joined with First MTA?
Yeah, why First MTA? For us, we were looking for a solid partner that could cover the whole of UK for us. You know, we've got quite a good installed base at this moment in England and other countries, Wales and Ireland. But what we are looking for is a solid partner to, let's say, to build up the market again and really step up. And also what Clive just said, that we really see a shift towards 5-axis machining. So our clients are not just asking for a simple robot tending machine anymore. They want to be able to get the whole package. Yeah.
And perfect fit for you guys, really is. Okay, in terms of your product suite then, I don't want to go into the whole suite and full technical details, but a quick overview of the robot arms and the products you actually provide.
Yeah, we have 3 models. Our compact, that can be equipped with a 12 kilo FANUC robot. We have our premium size, which you see over here, either with a 20 or 35 kilo robot, or our big 35 or 70 kilo payload robot. Yeah.
Okay, so small, medium, large, and milling, turning, and universal, is that correct?
The universal is opted for both systems, so it can either be connected to a CNC lathe or a milling or 5-axis machine.
So again, totally versatile for a machine shop. And I understand, I'm going to put you to the test here. Can you move these around, Clive?
You can move them to a milling machine, turning machine, plug and play.
Okay, so you don't need them just for one robot, one machine?
No, not at all. You can use it for whatever you want to in your shop.
Okay. I'm going to also put you to the test. How easy are they to program?
As you found out, very simple. Touch screen, few steps, less than a minute, you've got a new program.
Thank you very much, Clive, for talking me up there. That's brilliant. Now, in terms of the loading and things like that, what type of system have you got here?
Oh, this is the Universal Premium, 20 kilo, so with a double-sided grid plate. So also when the CNC machine and the robot are working, obviously you cannot walk into the safety zone. But on the back you have the loading area with the B side of the grid plate, so the operator can set up already his next batch.
So what we like to hear, keeping those spindles turning. Now you also have a stacker system as well?
Yeah, that's correct. So this is the grid plate, universal, and we also have a system for milling, the mill stacker, and for turning, obviously the turn stacker. Yeah.
Gentlemen, great little insight and great news in terms of Halter CNC and First MTA. If you do want a robot arm solution, get in contact with the guys at First MTA.